Team Bride explained. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fun and commonly used phrase in English, Team Bride. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Team Bride consists of two words, team and bride. Team. This word refers to a group of people who come together to achieve a common goal. In sports, for example, a team works together to win a game. Bride. This is a woman who is about to get married or who has just gotten married. When combined, Team Bride doesn't refer to a sports team, but rather a group of people who are supporting the bride during her wedding preparations and on the big day itself. This phrase is especially popular during pre-wedding events such as 1. Bridal showers, a party for the bride-to-be, where she receives gifts ahead of her wedding. 2. Bachelorette parties, a celebration for the bride with her close friends before she gets married. 3. Wedding day. On the day of the wedding, the bride's close circle, especially bridesmaids, might wear matching shirts or accessories with the Team Bride slogan. It's a way to show unity, support, and excitement for the upcoming wedding. Here are a few examples of how you might hear or use Team Bride in sentences. I'm so excited for Sarah's bachelorette party. We've got our Team Bride shirts ready to go. As a member of Team Bride, it's our duty to make sure the bride is stress-free on her big day. Who's on Team Bride? We need to start planning the bridal shower. Team Bride is a fun, celebratory phrase showing support and excitement for a bride-to-be. It's a way to bond, celebrate, and show unity in the lead-up to a wedding. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of this cheerful phrase. Remember, language is not just about grammar and rules. It's also about culture, emotions, and shared moments. Happy learning!